Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best 3D printers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is 3Doodler Create Plus. If you want to take 3D printing into your own hands, we recommend the 3Doodler Create Plus. This handheld pen lets you create 3D objects as easily as you would with a standard pen and paper. We like the 3Doodler Create Plus because it's easy to hold and it supports a variety of materials. Less expensive options like the Polaroid Play 3D pen restrict you to PLA, so you get greater flexibility with the 3Doodler Create Plus. You'll also find hundreds of stencils from 3Doodler that can help you design toys, animal models, and other architectural designs. There's a $19.99 kit that features additional nozzles for changing the layer size and texture of your model. 3D pens typically attract younger users, and the size and simple controls of the 3Doodler Create Plus is the right size for tiny hands. You'll find yourself reloading the pen frequently, as the 3Doodler Create Plus uses shorter filaments, but overall this is a very good experience for people who want to find a creative way to design small objects. Reasons to buy. Comfortable to hold. Supports multiple materials. Reasons to avoid. Requires frequent refills. Number 2. Our second best pick is Anycubic Photon Mono X. The Photon Mono X offers an even cheaper entry. Even better, the results are pretty impressive. We found that Photon Mono X created high-quality SLA prints quickly, despite the occasional printing error. 3D printing enthusiasts will appreciate the large print area, 331 cubic inches. That's particularly impressive given the Photon Mono X's comparatively small size. It's only 18 inches tall and a little more than 11 inches wide, so it will fit easily into a home workshop or similar setting. Photon Mono X helps bring down the cost of this process without forcing you to make too many compromises. Reasons to buy. Fast printer with high quality output. Costs a fraction of what other SLA printers cost. Reasons to avoid. Slicing software produces inconsistent supports. Some print failures. Number 3. Our third best pick is Anycubic Photon M3. The Anycubic Photon M3 makes expensive SLA printers a thing of the past with a price tag that's less than $300. You're not getting a second-rate 3D printer with that price either. The Photon M3 produces good quality prints with excellent detail and barely visible layers. Setting up the 3D printer is fairly straightforward, too. Despite the low price, this may not be the best introduction to resin printing, as the software for preparing prints is a little quirky and requires some trial and error. You're also getting a smaller print area than you'll find with other resin printers. However, veteran 3D printers who don't mind tinkering with the software will find a lot to like about the Anycubic Photon M3 if they're looking for an inexpensive resin printer. Reasons to buy. Low cost. Good print quality. Easy setup. Reasons to avoid. Software has some issues with preparing prints. Smaller print area compared to other resin printers. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite. When you're ready to step up beyond 3D printers for beginners, look to the FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite. It offers a relatively fuss-free printing experience with minimal quirks and complications. The Adventurer 3 Lite comes with swappable print nozzles for controlling the layer size of your prints as well as handling different temperatures. That makes this one of the more flexible 3D printers we've tested, as the Adventurer 3 Lite is capable of handling a wide variety of printing materials. While print speeds are average for a 3D printer of this type, the Adventurer 3 Lite produced excellent quality prints in our testing. Even better, at less than $500, you get a very polished printer without having to spend big bucks. Reasons to buy. Swappable nozzles provide material flexibility. Handles multiple materials with ease. Good price. Reasons to avoid. No automatic bed leveling and filament loading. Changing nozzles is rather a tricky process. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Monoprice Voxel. If you're looking to get started in 3D printing, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a great choice, as it delivers high-quality prints without costing you a fortune. Novices will particularly appreciate the heated print base on the Voxel, which means more reliable prints when you use materials like ABS. The top of the print bed slides out, too, and it's bendable, so removing prints is a snap. We also like the fact that the Voxel is enclosed, an important consideration if you're planning on using a 3D printer in a home or classroom. The MP Voxel is speedy, producing prints in times we usually see for more expensive devices. We were also impressed with the quality of prints, which accurately recreated details and captured natural, smooth curves in our testing. You may run into some minor frustrations with setup, but once it's up and running, the MP Voxel is the best 3D printer for people who want to experience 3D printing for the first time. Reasons to buy: excellent print quality, fast print speed, heated print bed. Reasons to avoid: lackluster software, some Wi-Fi connection issues. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.